Hi, welcome for our online training sessions. When we log into the Fusion application, sometimes we'll find this other language, translation language data like this. We can see that it's not an English, it is having some other language, right? I would like to change the language to English from here. It's very simple, it's not much complex. While log into the application itself, we are supposed to change here. Let me just log out from the current user, enter the credentials here. Here we have to change the language. I'm selecting from Spanish to English and click login button. Now we will be able to see the application running complete on English. My client groups and my team procurement help desk, and we'll find all these options from navigator and other options. This is how we can go for change the language. And also if we would like to set the date, time, as well as time preference, time, location, then what we have to do is go to user menu. There is option here, set preferences. Select this set preferences option. We go for set preferences option, then system will allow us to work with the regional information here. Like what is your territory, date format, time format, number, default currency, default time zone. We can set this preferences when the organizations wants to set for individuals. And the language setup will be done here, default. See, by default, what happened, it was, it was taking by default, it was Spanish, right? But by default, we would like to go with an English. Then what we have to do is we need to set this as American English. Display name, American English. Let's go for save and close. These all are simple setups. It just sometimes, maybe in the interview point of view, they'll ask us, can you tell me where do you set your regional information or preference, date and time format options? And we can also find here password setting up. This generally we do it from security console. In case if you want to change your password, even if you do not have the access to the security console, you can do it from here, from this environment. So when you are working with the application, if we are getting different language and different format, the data or numbering format, you can go for change like this. Let me just log out from here. Now it won't take the language default as Spanish. We can see that default it's taking English. Even if you create a new account, new user account also, it works in the same way. Let me create one user account and test with that new user also. Let's tap here. We'll do is let me search for existing user and try to copy this username and roles information here. Let's just log out from this user and log into the applications here. Now, any user, it takes default language as English because we configured that default language as English, right? From the preferences option where we configured from preferences option from user menu, set preferences. From here, we have specified that language default American English. This is how to set the language as well as date format, time format, and number format, and regional territory, local information. Thank you.